Homemade pizza. On to the tomato sauce. These are the ingredients: onions, tomato spices, tom puree. Place a pan with a bit of oil onto the hob. Heat a little, and add your onions. Let the onions cook for a while, and add your tomatoes. Add the tomato puree in with the tomatoes. Next, add your spices, together with salt. Mix it and leave it on the hob to cook for a while. Next, get a hand blender to blend it together. My tomato sauce is done for the pizza. Now, let's move to the pizza dough. Strong flour, oil, warm milk, yeast, salt, garlic powder, all dry stuff first, and then wet into it, and mix together. To strike the dough, I prefer using semolina than flour, as it makes more crunchy. Stretching a pizza dough, you do not need a rolling pin. Do it by hand. Now spread your tomato sauce. Add your toppings: cheese, ham, and pineapple. For my daughter, little tip, after adding every toppings on pizza, sprinkle a bit of cheese on top so it will stay together after cooking. Cheese, tuna, and sweet corn for myself. Cheese, ham, and pepperoni for my girlfriend and my son. Bake for 15 minutes on 150 degrees. If you want me to, put the quantity of the ingredients here, then subscribe and comment. For more info, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.